have a secret to maintaining or losing weight. A balanced mood, clear thinking, less pain, even better sexual functioning. That secret is the art of restorative, beautiful sleep. I'm Lori Friesen with Living Well Up Here. And today I'm going to share some basic habits that you can practice for beautiful sleep. In our modern American lifestyle, the art of restoring has been sacrificed to the myth that we have to go, go, go. To be considered ambitious, we have to work long hours cutting into our downtime and our sleep time. Resting is really looked down upon with descriptors like lazy, unmotivated. But at the expense of our health, are we really being more productive? We have lost our natural circadian rhythms that our forefathers had with the light-dark cycle of our days. Circadian rhythm is the sleep-wake cycle that our brain has running in the background 24 hours a day. We've been lured into a 24-hour on cycle with electronics, electricity, shift work, constant distractions grabbing our attention. Now we know we need to sleep, but somehow we've lost the ability to consistently get quality sleep. To support our health, we need to prioritize sleep and restore our circadian rhythm. Now adults need 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, and teenagers a little more, maybe 8 to 9 hours per night. And those that get 6 hours or less, it's been shown that that creates a host of health problems. To get a good night's sleep, we need to create a routine that cues our brain that it's time to start winding down for sleep. We need to set a time to start preparing for bed and stick to that schedule even on the weekends. Now that routine can include things like brushing your teeth, washing your face, getting in some comfy pajamas. And it's good to switch to a book from electronics, as blue light can be very stimulating to the brain and not calming. It's important to avoid big meals, vigorous exercise, and alcohol several hours before bed. And also keep the caffeine to the AM. To aid in relaxing and becoming sleepy, you could have some tea like passion flower, valerian and hops, or chamomile. We need to get up about the same time every day to support our wake cycle. I love the beautiful sunrise and an opportunity of a new day, but whatever time you choose to wake up, make it consistent. You'll be glad you did, because waking up naturally instead of a jarring alarm is a lovely thing. And when you get up, make your bed so that it's ready for you the next evening and not a tangled mess. So, in addition to prioritizing sleep and creating a routine for sleep, you also want to create your environment so it's conducive to sleep. Your room should be dark, so block out any LED lights that are shining at you, or even a blackout curtain, or maybe you need to wear an eye mask. And your room should be cool. Oh, wait a minute, not that cold, but 60 to 65 degrees, I think that's perfect. And you want your room to be quiet. So you may need to utilize some white noise, either from a fan or maybe some soothing sounds of the ocean. Or if you're having a noisy mind that won't quiet down, you may need to practice meditation or on your own, or utilize one of the many apps available. We have all been sleep challenged at times. Ask any new parent, they understand the power behind sleep deprivation as a form of torture. But whatever your situation is, prioritize sleep, make a routine, create your environment for a beautiful night's sleep. If you would like to learn more about living well up here in Tehachapi and beyond, Please leave a comment, ask a question below, or subscribe. Thanks for watching. Be well. Bye.